And so it's come to this. You can see this carpet in here is just trashed. Trashed, I tell you. This is a rental. We got to get it cleaned up. So the plan is, I mean, that's a really gnarly stain, and this is just grungy, grungy, grungy. The plan is, I've got this old Bissell Power Force vacuum. We're going to use it. We're going to keep vacuuming until the sand stops coming up, and we have a Bissell carpet shampooer that we're going to throw at this floor, and we're going to see how it works. So I guess this is kind of a test of how this old Bissell stuff works, if it'll keep up with this challenge or not. I kind of hope it does, because carpet's bloody expensive. Okay, so I got my wonderful antique Bissell cleaner. It's pretty good. It's a 12-inch. It has a tank on it. You can take this part off and use it as a hand scrubber if you want to. It's got a little hoser on the side to suck things up with. It's been really good. I think we paid like 150 bucks for it. Geez, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago. It's been a long time. Anyway, we're going to put it up against its arch nemesis, Sir Stains-A-Lot here. And this looks like a cough drop or something that melted into the carpet. So we're going to see how this works. I don't know if it's going to be able to take this off. If it doesn't, we have a spot cleaner, and I've got a couple other plans to see if we can't get that stuff out of the carpet. So it's going to be kind of exciting. Will the old Bissell be up to the task? Let's find out. Yeah, it's pretty full of dirty, nasty, icky water. Sucked all the stuff out of my tank. And here's what we're left with. Remember, there was a huge, gnarly black stain there. Most of it's gone, and the rest of this will come out, I believe, with subsequent shampooings. We're going to probably have to hit this thing 4 or 5 times, but it'll be cleaner than it's been in a long time. This stuff where the cough drop was, it kind of got on there, and I don't really think it did as much as I'd hoped it would. So we're going to have to try something else with it. So a little bit of an update. We've been shampooing the heck out of this carpet. This is where it was all black. It looks pretty good. We're going to come back and do another shampoo over the top of it. But what I wanted to share is that there was a cough drop or something ground into the carpet. And it was just a big lump of sugar, and we've almost got it out. I think we're going to be able to take it down to where it looks just like that. There won't be there at all. So good times, man. This Bissell kicks some royal butt. Okay, so I've been scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing on this area. And it all came out. I've got sort of a weird looking hole here. I need to vacuum. I think some of the fibers probably were destroyed a little bit or damaged. It doesn't look terrible. It's going to be okay. I think it'll be a lot better than having a freaking cough drop melted into it. Actually, there were 2 and they both came out. So now I just got to get the rest of this dingy, dirty crap. Can you tell where I've shampooed? Gotta love the Bissell. I'm telling you, man, can't go wrong with these things. If it broke right now, I would take this camera to the store and buy another dang machine. They are that good. And one more thing I want to talk about. This is the shampoo I'm using. It's professional strength, and this is the best part down here. No one will ever know. I hope they'll know I shampooed the carpet. This is just some cheap carpet shampoo I bought over at Lowe's. I use it all the time cleaning up after my stinky cats. Works pretty good. So I don't know. You could use the stuff that says Bissell on it, but I don't really think you need to. I think this generic stuff works really good. Okay, so we scrubbed this area. This is where the really black, terrible, hideous, looked like somebody had been dumping coffee for many years. It came out. All we got really is the nap of the carpet. And over here is where the cough drop was ground into the carpet. We got all the sticky stuff out. The only problem is now there's kind of a hole in the nap in the carpet, so it shows up as a little darker than the surrounding area. But otherwise, I think we're okay. We're not going to have to replace the carpet. Yeehaw! Anyway, I don't think you can go wrong with a Bissell carpet shampooer. I've done carpets this bad several times over the past, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 years. I've had that stupid thing, and it does a great job. Same with that vacuum cleaner. I used to have a really expensive one, and it was kind of a piece of crap, but this Bissell's been really good. I'll probably replace them with Bissells when they die, and I hope that's not for a very long time.